Hello, everyone. My name is Nick Papadakis, and I'm going to be giving a brief rundown of my MVP project, To the Moon. This is an app directed towards cryptocurrency enthusiasts, as well as those who may wish to use sentiment analysis to make more informed decisions when trading these assets. User visits the hosted and deployed app and is visited with an About page. This just breaks down what the app does and how it works, but I'll just summarize that for you. We have our top coins here, or assets, really. When we click our preferred asset, this app is going to grab the top 100 tweets. Of course, Twitter is rate limiting me, otherwise it would be more. It's going to grab the top 100 tweets, submit them to a deep learning model that I have at a different API, and categorize the tweet as such. It'll be positive, negative, or neutral. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to see a list of top 20 tweets. For a user, this can serve as a sort of news digest. Of course, not all tweets are created equal, but even in testing this app, I did learn a few things that were going on from looking at the tweet feed. Top 20 positive, top 20 negative over here, which I can't quite demonstrate that because there are very few negative tweets right now. It's kind of the sentiment right now, as the asset is close to an all-time high. User will also be able to see some basic sentiment data. It will see an emotion summarizing the result of the sentiment analysis. They'll see the ratio of positive negative tweets out of the batch of 100. Many are neutral because they're giveaways and the like. We want to filter those out. So we just have positive and negative. And so that's why this doesn't quite add up to 100. Then we have a signal, trading signal, buy or sell, and a degree as well. So that's the gist of the functionality for MVP purposes. User can also take a snapshot of this sentiment data that saves it in a Mongo database with a timestamp. The idea going forward, if I were to work on this more, is that a user could create a bunch of their own snapshots and they could do more fun things with those snapshots, like plot them over time, perhaps plot them to actual price behavior of their chosen asset, and other more robust activities like that. But for now, that is it. I think that what I'd like to show you now briefly is that there's actually a database up here. So To the Moon is the database. And I'll just briefly show you that these snapshots are being inserted and what they look like. No. So they have an ID, they have the currency, specific currency that was chosen, the sentiment, the signal, and a new data structure, which is whenever they click that button. So that is my MVP. I hope everyone enjoys and take care.